All right, so Jack Boyles, we're at the D.A.R.E conference, and I'm just gonna go over how we've got the audio video set up. So if you're watching this video, this will walk you through setting it up. First, we've got the two screens, and we actually have our own screens that we purchased, so you may be setting those up. Once you set them up, we have a projector, and we actually just used a power cord surge protector basically as a mode to raise the projector screen up. You have the power button, OK button, and then this is a switch where you can sync it to, you have on the back here, if you can see, HDMI 1 and HDMI 2. And so this one's going into 1, and you have power. Then we have the one cable, the long cable running over, and we have this splitter. So it's a 4K, 2K HDMI splitter. So we have the main cable connecting the two projectors going to the right. That's the large cable. Then we have a shorter cable coming off. Let's pull that out. So HDMI output 1. So plug that in. So HD1 is coming over to our main projector, and it's going into HD1. All right, so you see that goes into 1. 2 goes down and across to the second projector. And then the HDMI input, this one is a short cord that goes to the computer that's going to sit right here. Then we have this USB connector coming off the computer, and it runs over and plugs into the back of the mixer. Okay, so plug that in. Then we have a microphone cord. It comes out and goes into the antenna box. The mic receiver plugs into the back. You have your antennas, power, and then this first speaker cord, it's run mono, so it comes off. I'm going to turn that down so we don't do that. So come over here. So it runs from the mixer, comes into the back here, and plugs into the back. And that's what it looks like. So as you can see, it just plugs right in. Get that in there. Then you have your power, and then let's see, you're through. This line goes to the other speaker. So it's got a little clip on it. You pull it out. It's a male or a female, plugs right into the male. And then that cord goes down, and we've run it all the way across behind the stage. To our other speaker. All right. And then it goes into channel 1. And so you've got your power off on, signal gain is, looks like 1/4%, limit is 1/4%, signal is in the middle, your power. All right. So once you have all of those set, same thing over here. He's got signal straight up and down, limit left, signal straight up and down, power's on. All right, so as far as the mixer goes, these control your power. There's main, there's some inputs, your phone. This here we did not touch. Over here, this is the input off the computer. So the computer inputs can come in here. We're using this cable. He said set the balance in the middle. The level down here on 10% or so. Balance in the middle. And then the level, this is the volume basically. One of these will control that volume, and he said that should be set low. Put the computer volume to 70 or 80% so they can adjust it on computer, as well as right here. He said if you set this setting on a lower setting, you'll get less feedback. Gain control right here. The EQs for your bass, highs, lows, he pretty much set them right there. You can play with that. Middle on the pan, and then this is your volume control. So up and down. So start out low and then increase it. And he said to make sure when people are using the microphone that they speak into the mic. Do not raise the volume level with them holding the mic away. Otherwise you'll get a lot of feedback in between the speaker and the mic, and it'll squelch and hurt everybody's ears. So volume control, this is the setup. So we have our cables for our projectors going into the splitter. We have our feeds coming off the computer. The one cable that goes straight to the mixer. The second cable that goes to the splitter. Then two HDMI cables coming off. Number one goes to projector one. Number two goes to the long projector, the one furthest away. Then we have our speaker. This is our microphone cable that comes off the back, plugs into the receiver. And then we have our speaker cable, comes off the mixer. Black cord going over to the speaker, plugs into the back, channel one. Then you're through. This one hits the floor and goes all the way over. So I'm gonna pause it right here for just a second. All right, so hopefully this video will help out whoever sets this up next. So there you go, have a great day.